Hello and welcome to Daily Energise. This is video 032. I'm your host, Malcolm Gallagher. Provoke customers to speed up sales. With uncertainty the new norm, you are likely facing a tougher sales scenario, with often the cry, well, we don't have budget for that. So how are you going to nudge along your sales? Provocation-based selling could be your answer. With provocation-based selling, you persuade customers that your solutions are not just nice, but essential. To understand it, you need to know it's not consultative or solution selling with the usual question and answer approach, and it's dramatically different from product selling of features, functions and benefits. It helps customers see their competitive challenge in a new light, and it makes addressing specific painful problems urgent. But there is a PS, it's not for every selling situation. Learning to be provocative. There are three elements to consider. Avoid. Don't waste time to discover what customers are worrying about. Tell them what they should be keeping them awake at night. New angle. Challenge customer thinking to provide a new angle. Let me put that into some prompts for you. You're thinking about your business on conventional lines. But the way we see things, that puts your success in jeopardy. You should be thinking about this in a completely different way. You can see that you've got to be very careful how you're using provocation selling because of the terminology. Time for reflection. Provocation selling. It gathers momentum at each phase. However, solution selling loses it. So will you use it? This has been a short module from the Sales Plus channel at my platform bizvision.co.uk. Visit for free membership, free library, and to see our videos and listen to my podcasts. If it can help you with developing and executing your sales strategy, then let's talk. My email is mg@bizvision.co.uk. That's mg@bizvision.co.uk.